Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at activity 16D. The question says open the file project.csv, create a pie chart to compare the number of hours worked by the people with each type of job. Make sure that each type of job can be clearly identified when printed in black and white. Okay, so let's go and open file project.csv. Okay, is it here? No, let's go to chapter 16 actually from our source file here. We want to open project.csv. Okay, so let me save this file as activity 16. What is this again? So sorry guys. 16D. Okay, so let me save it as a workbook. Not here. I want to save it in my let me see, where are you? 16 task. Yeah, so here I want to save it as activity 16D. Save that. Okay, so what I want to do actually is to select the jobs and then hold down my control key. I want to select the hours worked. You want to go to insert, you want to go to the pie chart, you want to create this. So what would this chart be? I'll call this employee on project, something like that. So let me just delete that and call it employee on project. Okay, and then of course the so let me format this in such a way that the labels will be clearly seen. You want to click on this plus, you want to have the data labels out, you want to have it as a call out. Okay, let me expand it a little more, and I want to remove this legend since I'm calling everything out. So you want to click and then click again and then move this one over here. So you don't want them to overlap, you don't want the call outs to overlap. You want to move them out to be separate, to be seen clearly, something like this. Okay, so I think I'm satisfied the way it looks. Okay, so the title, I think I'm good with the title. Probably let me make the title to be a little bit what I do it now, let's see, make the title very black or something. Okay, let me just make it black, something like that, and then increase the font a little more, something like that. Make it bold, and then it looks good like this. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is, let me just first of all, let me see the question one more time. Clearly identify when printed in black and white. Okay, black and white. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to test how it's going to look like. So I want to make sure that the data is actually selected. I want to go to file and then go to print. Now the next thing I want to do, I want to go to page setup and then go to charts and then print in black and white and then see the outcome when it prints. So you find out that the way it looks, I think it's more visible because each chart looks different, or each sector looks different. Okay, so this is how it's going to look when you print it in black and white, and then we're okay with that. So that's it. Okay, so thank you guys. I will see you in the next one. Any comment, leave a comment down below. Bye.